It was a great time to meet some new connections in the crypto world, and it was also awesome food that night and an overall good time. Everything was so seamless, but everything was done, looked fabulous. Everyone had a great time. We give all the credit to you. Thankfully, we can show up, do what we need to do, and you guys take care of the rest.
The collaboration with Bitcoin Mining World was very simple and straightforward. The turnout for the happy hour was excellent. It was very nice to put faces to names. There were guys there that I did not expect to be there. I was able to shake hands with top guys at Braiins and other companies like Syntech and BitCloud. Bitcoin Mining World really made this easy for us. We've always wanted to have an after party event or some side event for these conferences. But with Bitcoin Mining World's extensive community of professionals, it really made this just a no-brainer. We definitely made connections. We were able to get some numbers and actually find some potential clients.
Side events are better than the main event. That's the key. After the work is done, having a smaller group of like-minded people to have the high signal conversations. This one was 5 minutes walking distance, so why nobody else made the smart decision like Scott, I don't know. So I really appreciate having people from bug outers to pleb miners to C-levels executives from the mining companies. So we're going to be partnering with Scott and Bitcoin Mining World for sure again.